So, what is it? I haven't even got my Avata 360 even yet. So I thought what I'd do in this video, because it is only FPV Friday, I'm going to be showing you my Mini 5 Pro, which is a fantastic drone. Now, if you didn't know, guys, I did a video well over a month ago, and DJI had contacted me to say, unfortunately, this and this are not compatible. So they will not be doing an update on this to this. But don't give up there, because I expect you know it anyway, that you can still fly this in FPV, which I will show you in a moment. That's using the RC2 controller. But I've got something else which is similar to these. Yeah, it's similar. So I'll just show you. So I've got these. I don't know if you can see them. It's the RayNeo Air Pro glasses. A bit of a mouthful, I must say. Yeah, I'm going to look forward to trying them out. This is the first time I've come out trying out these glasses. What I will say, because I wear glasses anyway, even though putting these on, I don't need the other glasses that you can have put in prescription lens. I don't need that. But I'll be honest, I need to sit down. But what we're going to do, I'm going to show you the setup. It's pretty easy, guys. I will be bringing out more videos on how to use these, because I think there's a few things you need to know about buying these glasses. They are, I wouldn't say they're expensive, but yeah, anyway, I thought in this video we'd just show you that you can fly your Mini 5 Pro in FPV mode using these glasses. The only thing, unfortunately, about these, I can't really show you what's going on inside, but what you got to remember is I'll be using my RC2 controller, and what it is, it's like a mirrored effect. So what I can see on the screen on my RC2 controller, obviously there it's going to be a lot brighter, is what you'll be able to see, because I'll be doing a screen save so you can see what's going on. So, shall we get on with it? But I'm going to sit down on this. So guys, before we actually take the drone off, I mean, you could do it when you're in the sky, I suppose, but I just find it easy to set up these things before you fly. Is if you go into your settings first, and then go over to control, and then scroll down, and where it says gimbal mode, we want to change it over to FPV. Okay? Another thing to remember, guys, that when you do these things, that when you finish, say, FPV mode, it's always best to put it back to how it was, because I don't think it tells you on here that you're in FPV mode until you start flying and you notice it's in FPV mode. So that's all set up. I'm just looking on the screen. Okay, I've got it on 4K 25. I'm going to put, because I did a video the other day about I'm having problems with my computer, so I was filming in 4K 60. And I was thinking, why am I doing 4K 60? Because that's really for doing slow-mo stuff. And I'm not really doing slow-mo stuff. And I know when I'm doing the FPV, it's slightly different. I suppose it's faster. But I thought I'll be trying out 4K 30 for a while and just see how that goes on the editing side. So getting back to the glasses. So here they are. I haven't even plugged it in yet, guys. So I'm going to take off my normal glasses. And that's why I'm sat down, because there's all this messing about with changing around things. So that's on. So this cable fits in the bottom of the RC2 controller, and as soon as I do that, and now I can see it. I'll tell you what, it's so weird because it's like that in my face, and I can't really see. Anyway, I'm going to say all that stuff in another video, but I just wanted to let you know what you can see. Now I can, people were saying that you can see right through it, and I can in a sense, even though I can't really see my hand, because it is pretty dark. That's one of the things that was concerning me with these. And I've actually got a shade thing that goes over the top that completely blacks it out. But at the moment, that's pretty good, I must say. I think on the, anyway, that's going to be in another video. Come on, let's get this drone up in the air. So what's good about it is I do have to look at the screen on the RC controller, because I'm just going to do auto takeoff. And this is weird, because I'll tell you what, it's a total different thing using the glasses, I must say. So the drone's just ready to take off.
Home point updated.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. And now I think I'm getting a noise through that as well. Anyway, it's just send it up. I'll tell you what, it is weird, I must say, but it does give you that goggles feeling. I suppose what it is, I can still see what's going on to the sides of me, which is another good thing about this. If anybody was coming up at the side, creeping up on me. So anyway, let's get out there. You can see what's going on this screen anyway with the goggles. Like I said, you can't really make out what's going on the bottom. Right, I'm just gonna... Right, so you can see now where I'm turning the drone and I'm bringing it over that way. And we're just going up. Yes, I do like it. It's good. I mean, I didn't really know what to expect other than, yeah. Right. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it out a bit of a distance just to see, do we get any interference on it. Let's drop that gimbal down as well. Okay. Let's put it around that way. Let's bring it back towards me. So obviously, what you expect to see on the controller itself is all in the screen here, which is good to see. You feel like you could sort of touch it, but you can't, obviously. Yeah. I suppose the only thing that you need to keep a check on is what the height is in that, and I can just, even doing that, I can just about make out what the height is there. But I think, like anything else, the more you fly it, the more you're going to understand what's going on. And I can see my horizontal line moving when I'm turning the drone. And if I bring the drone down, yeah, it's weird. It's really good. I'll be honest. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it like this. Yeah, I'll be looking forward to going out a lot more, trying out the goggles. Obviously, you know, this is FPV. I mean, if I wanted to, I could just stop it there a moment. I can then go, I can see what I'm doing on the screen here, and I can just touch on the screen. Even with my terrible eyesight, I can just about make out. So I put it back into follow mode, and you can see what's going on there anyway. And now I've got it in what I class as normal mode. Okay, let's just fly it down that way, bring up the gimbal a little bit more. I've got it in normal mode, so I can see all that. I've got 32%. So I can see, I think what's going on top is more important to me, because I've obviously got the battery power, the signal, satellites obviously is another most important thing. So I'm just going to bring it around, fly it back towards me, into the sun. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sit over there in the full sun, and we got these covers that go on there. But I'm just going to get myself set up first. The drone's still up in the air, because I'm sure if I'm sat in full sun, yeah, I've got this reflection problem. So let's put on these covers that you can put on over the top. I think they're just like a magnet. Okay, so I've got that done. Now it's a little bit more difficult, because what I'm getting now is a reflection coming up onto the screen, which I will talk to you more about later on, and that is annoying. But if you didn't know, guys, on your screen, on your RC2 controller, get it right. I call it in the middle really, on the left hand side where you can actually put on the brake. Something else you need to learn about, guys, but if you press the button, that will go into return to home, which is another sort of lifesaver. I could have done it on the screen, but to me that would mean me putting my glasses on, and I think that's the only problem for us people that wear glasses, is obviously all to do with the eyesight. But I just wanted to show you this part as well. I think personally, even though I can see what's going on the screen there, I can see it's all pretty good. The drone's just coming in now. It's going to land right in front of me where it took off from, because it's only precision landing. So, sorry about that, guys. I didn't realise when I got back and did the editing that second part where I sat out in the sun with those glasses on, you can only see my legs. I think you can see a little bit of the glasses. So I just thought I'd finish it here. But hey, it's only FPV Friday. Hey, and don't forget, the best part of all this is the ending. See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone. See you sooner.
Sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner. Just like your life ended. See you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts. See you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Pictures of Suffolk. See you soon.
Sooner.
Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner.
See you sooner. We'll see you sooner. Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner.